What is this?
This is Finding Mokoko. Okay, what is Mokoko? Mokoko is one of the monster. Okay.
Is this one?
No, this is Labubu. Mokoko is the pink color one. Okay. This one consists 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 blind box.
Let's see.
I hope one of it is Mokoko because
that's-
I'm finding Mokoko
The
now.
name is for Finding Mokoko.
Okay.
Okay, let's open this.
Oh.
Come open. How many?
10.
10. That's the weight, right?
Yeah, let me choose the center one. Okay. Center down. Let's see how heavy first.
117.42.
Is it 0?
117.42.
Okay, when you shake, it's like a bit full. Here you can feel something when you touch it.
Okay.
While you shake, you cannot have any empty, say like consider a full box.
Full box.
Yeah, it's a very full box. This one I feel like it's a... Stop.
Just open.
I'm just curious, okay? Because I never read anything about this. I hope it's a Mokoko.
See the card?
No, it's not. This is the ugly thing. Hui.
This is Pop Bean.
I don't like. No, sweet bean is a sweet bean.
Sweet bean. You open this?
I can also.
This is the... What bean is this?
Sweet bean. What
Sweet
bean is
bean.
that? You also don't know, ah?
Sweet bean. Let's see. Wow.
Oh, it's nice also, ah?
Yeah.
See, the hat is pink color. See, Mokoko is behind, is it? No,
There.
it's not Mokoko. Where is Mokoko? No.
This is like keyhole.
Oh, means that it's...
And it's holding a key.
Oh, means that this one is... I found it. 我找到了. Means that he
Oh,
already
he
found
already
Mokoko.
found
But where
it.
is Mokoko?
Don't know.
Don't know.
See? Okay, let's put it back.
Hey, this one very empty. You shake up and down, you can hear the sound. Left, right, also can hear the cards shaking. I think it should be less than 100, this one.
This is 107.4.
It looks very light. Which one should be Demo? No, this is Crybaby.
Crybaby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Why oh yeah? It's so cute.
My gosh. Look at this.
Where's the stackage? What is the stackage?
I was supposed to... No, that's the seed.
This is the seat.
Not
Oh, I was supposed to sit
staircase.
like
So
this.
sit on it
Okay,
then.
okay.
Very tall seat. Very tall chair. Okay, let's move to the next one.
This one is also almost like Crybaby. The shape. A very big pack of 那个
117.39.
I can feel it's a very big pack of the small thing.
The toy.
Oh no. Why is it like this?
Hey.
烂了. It's not easy, this one. 清美的
I think so. I forgot.
Huh?
Already. 117? Yeah,
Yeah,
already. This is so in Popland, is it?
Yeah, but... Oh!
This is the Seen Her. Who is this?
Is that a big pack?
What's her name?
Skull Panda! My goodness, you don't know Skull Panda.
Ah.
117 is it just now? It's like Crybaby. Can hear
Oh,
it.
looks good, huh?
This one can sell at a good price. Like this can sell 100 ringgit,
Wow.
150 ringgit. I don't know why.
Because very detailed.
Mm.
A lot of details. You see all the... And then come with this, some more, is it?
All the accessories, yeah.
Yeah, what is this? The ribbon.
Yeah, so girlish this round.
And also...
See, this. See, I show you. It's Mokoko! Oh, behind the eye of the hair.
Okay.
Yeah, this look good.
Yeah,
very
looks good,
good.
looks good.
This one I like also actually.
Mm.
I won't sell it because I like. This one's so full. Can hear only this thing. You know what I call this? What is this called?
Let me see.
Thank you, man.
This is called the diatom. Diatom.
我们华语叫干燥剂。Eh? You cannot hear anything, only this you can hear.
128.62.
That's considered heavy.
Yeah, 128.62.
Heavy and will be what? Mokoko? No, this one should be Hero. No, Hero looks big. This is Paki. Paki don't open because I.
You got one already.
Yeah, because I love Paki.
So you buy at once.
Yeah, I buy it at once. But no, I put it already. How? Oh, here.
So this is the one just now. The Paki. Wow. But all of them are like holding this fan, no? See, this one's got a fan. For Scout Panda.
Yeah.
Interesting. But not all this guy don't have.
This maybe something related to Mokoko. This one.
Nice. Okay, next.
And then we're empty. Left, right, up, down, all you feel empty.
And it's
Everywhere so shake.
114.18.
Empty one. Looks like accessory or not? Got one accessory. Got I can hear accessory. But I cannot hear the 干燥剂. Wow, man. Mokoko? Is it Mokoko? No, this is Molly.
Molly. You already have one.
Yeah, I bought in advance one Molly and Paki. Because I like them.
It's like drawing, is it? Yeah, she's drawing.
It's finding
No,
Mokoko.
she's drawing Mokoko.
Yeah, because everybody is looking for Mokoko.
And Mokoko is on top here, so.
Yeah, just hide
Eh?
on top.
Oh, the cat is wearing a Mokoko hat.
Ah,
Oh, okay, interesting. Next.
another full box.
Full box.
Cannot press anything, but you can hear it's full.
Okay.
And you can hear the sound of the cuts.
Okay.
Heavy also this one. 13 something.
134.48. 134.48.
Is it Mokoko? No, this is Demo.
Demo. Follow the light.
No, 很重的 Demo.
What is this?
Stand.
Oh, looks good.
Yeah, Demo looks good this round.
It's like
Very detailed.
it's like fire. Then Labubu is here.
Where? It's Mokoko.
Coco is part of the fire.
Let's see where.
Eh?
Oh, this one. Oh.
Nice. Okay, next.
You only can hear the sound of the cuts. This one also considered full, but it's light and full. Only front and back you shake, you can hear. Left, up, cannot. Like one something.
114.31.
It's not Mokoko. This Pinot Jenny. Pinot Jenny.
Pinot Jelly. Careless Hunter.
Hey, got mushroom.
Where got mushroom?
Down here.
Oh, inside the head.